Hello YouTube and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a genius idea for a little desk vise. How many times have you tried to clamp something while you're working with your electronic project or your craft project only to find you need a vise? The vise is out in the garage, that's upstairs, it's a real pain in the you-know-what. So if you happen to have a pair of vise grips and a C-clamp and know how to weld, here we go. Well, that wraps it up. A shout out to John Kleinbauer. I'll leave his link in the description below. He was the one that showed the tool he bought several years ago that gave me the idea of making my own. So thank you, John. Hope everybody enjoyed the video. If you did, I would really appreciate it if you left a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching.